Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, working on my Hickok model 752A tube tester. Actually, I've already worked on this tube tester and it's working now. And so we're going to test a tube. Yeah, we have a 12AU7 tube in here. Just make sure that it says, yep, 12AU7. Alright. So, what I do to test it, I'll make a series of videos on testing this tube. But you can go back and look at how I set up the line test in the last video. But I'll show you how I set up the meter to test a tube. So what I do is I go over here to this screen, and I've already scrolled down to 12AU7, and now I'm going to be changing these settings in order to set it up. So it says filament 12.6. Here's the filament right here. Turn that to 12.6. Then I have a series of selector numbers, and there are actually 8 numbers here that I have to use here. Alright, and so I just go by the numbers 4, 5, 7, 2. Okay, so let me set it up. Move my light out of the way. 4, 5, 7, 2, 6, 1, 8, 3. 6, 1, 8, 3. The bias is set at 25. This is the bias. Now up here, set it at 25. And the multiplier is to be set at X2. X2 shunt here is on 0. Alright. Now S5 is the test button, and the minimum is 675. But before I do any of that, the first thing I need to do is I need to reestablish the line with the tube in it. So let me set that up. Make the adjustment here on the line adjust. And that's the first thing that I do. By holding this line adjustment button down, and then I set the line adjust. That is the first thing that I do in testing a tube with the Hickok 752A. Well, I'll come back. Well, in fact, let me go ahead and pan it up so you can see the needle move on the meter. There you go. So when I hit the line adjust, I had to adjust it after the tube was placed into the socket. Okay. Alright, so I'll come back and do another test, because this tube tester allows you to do a variety of tests on tubes. You can test it for shorts, test for gas, test it in terms of its mutual conductance, quality of the tube, and you can check both sides of the diodes and the triode tubes. This is called the 12AU7 is called a dual triode tube. So you can test both sides of this tube with this meter without having to change any of the settings. So I'll come back and show you how to do that. Alright, so till the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying peace out.